right out of there. Perfect. Well, I'm at a property right now. Customer or the directions show that geothermal system is out on lockout, low pressure lockout. So I just pulled in. Hope all is well though. Hope everybody had a nice weekend. Today's Monday. It is 60 degrees out here. So let's see what it is. Let's go inside. Split geothermal system, 10 years old. I want to see why it's at low pressure. One side, one circuit here, one circuit here, just hooked up to low side, and we got 0 on our second circuit. Standing pressures at 1.6 from the other side when I moved it to the suction side, and it's dropping like that. So what I'm going to do is add some gas to it and see. That could just be settled. Yeah, 0.8. It was 1.6 when we started this now. All right, let me go grab it. Right out of there. Right there. That's why I wasn't getting bubbles, because I was on the other side. I couldn't. Wow. Trash. Like a sieve. That's a drop of fiber solid. It won't even bubble. It comes out so fast. It's right here. It's compromised. So to me, it's a simple fix. It's up to the customer if he wants us to fix it right now. So what I'm going to do is give him a price and see if he wants to fix it, and hope there's no other leaks down the line. We do have some water from the geothermal side dripping too on the floor. I'll show you that in a minute. I just have to. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, so that's geothermal split. A lot of them A lot of the ones that I've worked on are just packaged with everything there. So what he told me is he lived in the house 3 years. The manufacturer actually told him that there were 9 issues prior to him living there. So if the system's 10, and to me it looks like it's a 10-year-old system. He says it's 12, but regardless, he says, yeah, so it can't be. He says it's under warranty till December, supposedly. So that would make it 10 years. I don't think they have 12-year warranties, but who knows. Anyway, he says there were 9 issues with the system within the first 2 years of install. But then they told him it was install error. Not sure. So he's got the 2 leaks there. And I told him basically I'll be happy to fix them today, but he wants to wait and see if he's going to go ahead and just replace that condenser, heat pump, because it's a heat pump. Replace it. He's not going to get it under warranty. I don't think so, because you can tell whoever brazed that thing was either blind or just didn't have any acetylene. I don't know. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day. Take care.